Thank you. So, first, I would like to bid everybody a very good morning. I'm Dr. Shuchita Kumar from CIDC. I welcome you all to this third workshop on good management practices.
Responding to evolving methodologies, technologies, and cultural changes. Okay. Then learning from the experience of the past and applying the advanced techniques, materials, technology, and present need customized to the geography and climate cultural conditions. As Akashdeep was also mentioning about the geography and climatic conditions, how actually the design is going to change. Then the philosophy is building from passive entities to active, adaptive, and adaptable species that takes advantage of surrounding environment. We talk about the envelope, okay, heating, cooling, and light ventilation. That means we try to come up with a models at all geographies, how we are going to have a comfort index possible throughout the year with the different materials, different construction methods, and then proper window wall ratio, and then location of the openings and all those things in that aspect. Okay, so this is all my summaries. Practice sustainable engineering for improved environmental capacity. Definitely it's going to only three design criteria, that is function, cost, and safety. In addition to that, we have to add impact on the environment, impact on the people, and then sustainable engineering design criteria need to be considered while designing the buildings. Then design for environment, yes, that concept I have mentioned. Then technologies which are environment friendly and based on efficient use of resources. Okay, this is a take-home message. See, American Society of Civil Engineers has given two beautiful principles. Principle one says that do the right project. Then second is principle two, do the project right. This is what is needed nowadays in the construction industry. And secondly, lastly, I have developed my own equation, Jago equation of sustainability that states that sustainability equal to environmental capacity. As I mentioned, it is a finite capacity, it's not infinite capacity. That means this is fixed one. So that means so that if you want to maintain this capacity, environmental capacity intact, then ultimately rate of resource consumption I have to reduce. That natural resources consumption I have to reduce, I have to bring down, and also the waste assimilating capacity. That means the waste I'm discharging into the environment I have to bring down so that I can maintain the environmental capacity, I can maintain the sustainability. Okay, thank you all. And then this is to all the sustainable goals, 17 sustainable goals. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much. And any questions, I'm ready to answer.
Thank you
very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor. And it was very interesting, a different aspect, because we do have to consider the material and sustainability.
Yeah.
Ozone, bringing down the ozone substances, but everything we have to have overall. And the lab work has to be communicated to the sites. So I hope this is incorporated and our professionals who are watching it would be taking ideas from you. Thank you.
Madam, actually we have done the models only, we are monitoring now. Actual models, I have shown you the two.
Yes, you have. Slide. Yes, you have.
One slide. There cavity walls with the recycled material, recycled CD waste, recycled aggregates.
We would like it to go to the industry as such.
Yes, yes.
So the practical sites which are really.
Yeah, we are doing that only. The recycled material and then bricks and then this coconut fibers and bagasse, we are as a filling material. In the cavity, we are filling them.
So it will be
convection, heat convection and all we have to maintain in that way.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So now for this, I will invite Dr. Suru for the concluding remarks. And all those who have questions can really write to us. I have given my email because I don't think we have time for the question answers. So Dr. Suru, could you take it?
Thank you so much, and I must express my deepest gratitude to all the learned speakers. And what you spoke today was pure common sense, and I think people have to change the way they live, because unless they understand that particular part, there is absolutely nothing or no researches that are really going to be implemented. I spoke about the scope of reduction of carbon footprints when it comes to construction activities. And another thing that I would like to make a mention here, and that is something which can basically reduce the carbon footprints as far as construction industry is concerned. Not many realize that the cement manufacturing organizations, they are basically not using all-in-one aggregate, and the overburden, or for that matter, the mining operations that they conduct, there is a lot of debris that is lying there, which does not allow them to go to the pay seams. And this basically keeps on getting added, which is adding to a great amount of pollution everywhere. What I would like to do, and Dr. Kumar, you have to take a note of it, that in the next meeting, we certainly would like to have many representatives coming from cement manufacturing companies.
Sure.
I had been talking to them and I had been asking them a question that why exactly that they are sending the finished product to the consumers. Why would they not send all-in-one aggregate and cement separately so that the debris can also go on, and those carbon footprints that are reduced, you can get a benefit of it. Now, there is a very silly situation that exists here, and that is what I would like to share with the rest of our friends here. The silly situation is that there is some old regulation which was probably designed way back in 1939 or 1940 and part of the Mining Act, which says that the overburden that has been removed cannot be used in any other shape. It has to be simply dressed and kept it there. So I guess that as an outcome of this particular deliberation, we might like to raise a question to Ministry of Mining also, and we will request Ministry of Environment to take it up with the Ministry of Mining so that the prefabricated structures, which can be manufactured right there where the cement is being manufactured, so that a lot of debris can be utilized, and obviously the credits can then be calculated and the benefits can be accrued. So we will look at that. Once again, I thank all of you and to the participants who have been very keenly listening to all the learned speakers, and we will meet again. There are 3 more workshops that we have on the line, and along with it, there is a national conference. So remain in the pack, like they say. Thank you very much and very good day to all of you, and best of luck. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I would like to thank all the experts and all the participants.
Thank you. Thank you.
And jointly, we'll make a change, I'm sure. Thank you.
Thank you.